Welcome to the new experience for billing and payments. This is your one-stop destination for managing payment methods, payment activity, and monthly invoicing associated with your business accounts. This includes accounts connected to your business, like your ad accounts or WhatsApp accounts. When you enter, you'll see your selected business account in the top left drop-down. On the Accounts page, you'll see a list of ad accounts that are all connected to your business account. To view more information about a specific account, simply select the name of the account or View Details. In the Account Details page, you can quickly view your current balance, your remaining account spending limit, and other information about your account. To edit or add a payment method to your business account or a specific ad account, locate the Payment Methods page. The first section displays existing payment methods for the overarching business account. You can easily share this payment method with connected ad accounts once you've added it to your business account. To update payment methods like credit or debit cards, or to connect a credit line to an individual ad account, select the account from the drop-down. In the Payment Activity page, you can view the current balance for the ad account. While you may have used credit lines for monthly invoicing in the past, we have added some new features to streamline and simplify the process. Credit lines are a payment setting where you are billed based on monthly invoices. From here, you'll see all of the credit lines shared with you or that your business owns, all in one place. You'll also see the amount of credit you have available. In this section, you can also see your payment method used to repay the balance on the credit line. Select the name of the credit line to see important details. You can also set up autopay to pay for invoices. Underneath, you will find a list of the connected ad accounts for a specific credit line and the status of each connected account. Invoice groups allow you to have a single invoice for multiple ad accounts. Clicking Allocate Credit allows you to share your credit with other businesses. The history of those allocations can be found below. On the right side of the page, you can view and manage business information connected to your credit line. Below credit lines is the Invoices page. In the top right corner of the Invoices page, you have the option to select whether you see invoices for ad accounts or invoice groups. You can select Invoices or Payments on the left side of the search bar, and then filter by date. On the top of the screen, you'll see the amount due and the next billing period. Click on a specific invoice number to see more details. The Create Report and Download All buttons are powerful tools that allow you to customize a report with a specific set of invoices to your requirements. We hope that this new billing and payment experience makes it easier than ever to manage your accounts.